Can you trust that free credit score app? Unveiling Borrowell. Ever wonder what that magical number is that determines whether you get approved for that dream apartment or that sweet low-interest loan? That, my friends, is your credit score. But here's the thing, keeping track of your credit score can feel like navigating a financial labyrinth. That's where these free credit score apps come in, like Borrowell. They promise convenience, easy access, and supposedly, complete transparency. But with all this free floating around the internet these days, can you really trust Borrowell with your sensitive financial data? Let's take a deep dive and see if Borrowell is the credit kryptonite you've been searching for, or if it's just another credit monitoring maze. Breaking down Borrowell, the good, the not so good. First things first, Borrowell is a Canadian fintech company. They don't pull your credit report from thin air. They actually partner with Equifax, one of Canada's 2 major credit bureaus, to deliver your score. So, in essence, you're getting a glimpse of your credit health through a trusted source. That's a big tick in the pro column. Plus, Borrowell boasts a bunch of features that make managing your credit a breeze. Weekly credit score monitoring? Check. Personalized credit improvement tips? Yep. Educational resources to boost your financial literacy? Absolutely. Now, here's where things get interesting. Borrowell, like most free services, makes its money by recommending financial products tailored to your credit profile. This could be anything from credit cards to loans, and while it can be helpful to see targeted options, it's important to remember these are just suggestions. The not so good part? Borrowell doesn't show your score from both credit bureaus in Canada. They only provide your Equifax risk score. This means you might be missing a piece of the credit puzzle, as lenders often consider reports from both Equifax and TransUnion. Security, is Borrowell Fort Knox or a cardboard box? Okay, let's talk about the real concern here, security. Borrowell claims to use bank-level encryption and rigorous security procedures to safeguard your information. That sounds reassuring, but with data breaches becoming a daily occurrence, a healthy dose of skepticism is warranted. The best advice? Do your research. Read Borrowell's privacy policy, understand how they collect and use your data, and make sure you feel comfortable with their practices. The verdict. So, can you trust Borrowell? Here's the deal, Borrowell is a legitimate company with a solid partnership with Equifax. They offer valuable features and resources, but they also have their limitations, like not showing your TransUnion score and pushing financial products. The ultimate decision lies with you. If you're comfortable with their security practices and understand their business model, Borrowell can be a useful tool for monitoring your credit and taking charge of your financial well-being. But remember, it's just one piece of the puzzle. What else can you do? Don't forget, you're entitled to a free credit report from both Equifax and TransUnion once a year. You can also consider paid credit monitoring services that offer more comprehensive features and reports from both bureaus. The key takeaway? Your credit score is important. Be proactive, monitor it regularly, and use Borrowell or any other service as a stepping stone, not a crutch. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.